Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I'd like to show you how to add transaction vendors to an opportunity. So when you're working through an opportunity or a transaction, you do encounter several different vendors like attorney, escrow officers, your home warranty company, maybe the home inspector. You can add all of their information right into the opportunity so it's easy reference for you, but also your market center leadership can see who you're working with if needed. So when we add in the vendor information today, not only are you adding it to that opportunity, but it also submits it to your market center leadership. And if they so choose to, if the MCA approves it, they will add that vendor's information to a larger database for the entire market center to have as a vendor on file. So, first, you'll want to navigate to your opportunity. It's over here on the left-hand side in your Opportunities tab. And you can go here to All Opportunities and search for the opportunity if you need to. We're actually just going to go ahead and click right into the sales pipeline here and choose one of our existing opportunities. So we'll just go ahead and choose the opportunity by clicking on the name. And once you are in the opportunity itself, you can just come right here to the Vendors tab. Right here is where you can actually start entering the vendor. It does search for the vendor first to see if it's already on file. So you can choose any of these options here to select the vendor type if you would like to. So today we'll just go with an inspector, and you can begin searching for that inspector here over in the right-hand side. You'll just begin typing them in. And if they're already on file, you will see them populate here. This one is not. So you have the choice to create a new vendor. Click Create, and it will give you this form. You'll want to make sure to fill out the fields with the red asterisks. They are mandatory. You can go ahead and change the vendor type if needed at this point. You can also search for the company name or the DBA, doing business as name. If there were some on file, you would click this caret to view those that are already on file. This is a demo account. We don't have any. So you just begin typing in the company, and you may see some populate here. Now, these are the companies that are actually already on file with this particular market center. You can choose from the drop down or choose Add Inspection Company to Vendors Database. From here, you would choose the office branch nickname, whichever one, enter their address, and you can choose from the drop-down menu if you would like, or just continue typing in to the fields if you want it to be a different location than what you are seeing offered there. Coming on down, if you have a particular representative at this inspection company or the vendor that you're mentioning, you can go ahead and enter his name here or her name. And their particular phone number, extension, and also the type of phone number that it is. If you have another phone number or a different email address, you can add multiple pieces of contact information for them and choose Add Vendor. When you add the vendor at this point, it will tell you and confirm that the vendor has been added to this opportunity. And it will also add the little line on there that it is pending approval from your MCA. The MCA approval, again, is only for adding this particular vendor to the market center's list of vendors on a bigger scale. It will absolutely be added to your opportunity, and that doesn't need any approval. If you ever need to review, remove, or edit vendor details, you would just come right here again to this same tab right here within your opportunities to the vendors tab and be able to select those to either remove them or make changes. If you have any questions at all about this or anything else to do with your KW platforms, you can always reach out to us via email, and our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.